Welcome to the project demonstration of Braille system with audio inputs and text inputs, Braille outputs, and also Braille inputs from this Braille keypad. So then the text will be displayed on this LCD screen. So here totally we are using the three inputs. So one is the voice inputs from this mic condenser, and the next Braille inputs and pi camera to capture the images and convert them image to text. So here the way of communication between the inputs and outputs is done by this Raspberry Pi 3B+ model we are using. So first we can provide the input from the speech or camera by selecting the switches, okay, and the output is given as to this solenoid locks through this electromagnetic relay, and that will be controlled through this Arduino Uno board. And another is we can provide the input from this Braille keypad, and the output will be displayed on the LCD screen and as well as audio outputs. So if you want to reread the outputs, then we need to select the switch. So that we can see the switch. So to reread the input which we have given from the speech or image. So the solenoid valves interface to the Arduino Uno board through this electromagnetic relays, and that will get the power supply from this 3 amp transformer. Then we need to provide the high currents, high voltage to the solenoid locks. So there are 6 numbers arranged in the manner of Braille keypad. Same here, the Braille push buttons inputs. So these two inputs, one is the solenoid output and push buttons inputs to the Uno board, and from there to the Raspberry Pi 3B+ board through the serial communication. So the output will be read by this one and displayed on the LCD screen. So we have interfaced the speakers and a mic to the Raspberry Pi 3B+ through this USB mic connector, and pi camera at a pi camera slots, and these two push buttons to select the speech inputs or image inputs. So the above one is the speech inputs, below one is the image inputs. So and also whenever the new message arrived from the mic inputs or image text inputs, so there will be a vibration alerts to the person to indicate the new message got arrived. So let us see the demonstration before on the kits. So we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. By using your hotspot on network internet only, the system will convert the speech to text by using Python language. So on the hotspot, and change the hotspot name to project 5743 without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 123456789, and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz if it shows in new mobile phones. And on the hotspot and data, now you can on the power supply to the Raspberry Pi as well as solenoid locks. So 230 volts input to them, and then you can open the Braille keypad. So the system will take around of 20 to 30 seconds for booting. On successful booting, there will be a welcome message displayed on the LCD screen. So on successful booting, it will take right. So it's initializing the mic, and then after welcome message displayed on the LCD screen, and the vibration just indicate the user about the system got initialized. So now it's monitoring. So now let us provide the input from the Braille keypad. So this one is A. So if you press this, we can see the text message on the LCD screen, comma, to B and E. So if I press all buttons at a time, then that will formed as a string and sent to the speaker. Okay, and A, B, comma. Okay, so the next is speech inputs. So it will record the voice for 5 seconds. Hello. Hello. Right. Hello. And let us see the solenoid outputs. So H So you can see the L output also. L is these 3 and O these 2. So here is the O, this 1, 2, 3 and L this side totally. So let us see that output on the solenoid valves. We can see the same status on and off controlling on this LCD also. Now let us see the image inputs. So keep the image which consists of text so at a distance of 1 feet. Okay, and keep more lighting on this image and press I button. So that you can see the light got switched on and now the system is processing the image. So the image now sending the commands to the solenoid valves. So you can switch off that, but let us see that. So when the gap has occurred, it's nothing but the space between that. As the message consists of more data, so please keep on sending that to the Braille. So just I'm disconnecting the power supply to the solenoid locks and let me get it heat up.